Henrik's company is working with confidential business and GDPR-relevant data. Messages, files, documents, and personal data that should only be seen by authorized people. Legal compliance requires that confidential business and personal data must be protected. But Henrik really doesn't want to introduce complex processes. Thankfully, there is AirID Mini, and it even comes with a smart card. Daniela can use the smart card to wirelessly sign into her computer and even open encrypted data without a cable or card reader. Philip can work on several devices simultaneously. And when he leaves his desk, the AirID Mini will securely and automatically lock the computer and all sensitive data. This is automated GDPR compliance. With AirID Mini on your keyring, you always have security at hand. It enables Henrik to easily access all of his encrypted data, even on the go. Messages, files, documents, and personal data are now protected from being seen by wrong people. Everything without introducing new, complex processes. Oh, and did you know there is also an AirID for standard-size smart cards? Simply secure your work desk with ease with AirID.